Do you feel your life is still missing something after 5 Sharknado movies? Does the announcement of a 6th movie due next year still not quench your Sharknado thirst? Well, then we have some good news for you. Caesars Entertainment has announced they will be producing a brand new musical, Sharknado Live, in Las Vegas. Caesars said in a press release, the multi-sensory show will be a musical journey featuring humor and intrigue, as well as the characters that tens of millions of fans have loved through 5 films. The live spectacle will bring the Sharknado movie franchise to life on the Las Vegas Strip. David Garber of the Asylum Production Company explained that their core audience will be families? We have watched this niche sci-fi film explode into a worldwide social phenomenon, an annual TV event with many families watching together. Sharknado Live will be family-friendly because there's nothing small children like more than watching flying sharks eat people. If you do go see the show, you may want to bring earplugs because we think those kids will be screaming in terror.